Super VOOC technology sets foot in India with the OPPO R17 Pro. OPPO's patented Super VOOC flash charge technology has set foot in India with the new OPPO R17 Pro. It can charge your phone up to 40% in almost 10 minutes. It has been designed as a solution to consumers' strong demand for quick, reliable, safe and long-lasting charging for users to seamlessly watch engaging videos or play their favorite games. Court rejects man's request to reduce his age by 20 years for Tinder. Dutch court has rejected a 69-year-old man named Emil Ratelband's request to reduce his official age by 20 years to get more matches on dating app Tinder. Emil argued his official age didn't reflect his emotional state and made it difficult for him to find love. Amending his age would cause 20 years of records to vanish, the court said. Samsung uses Apple's iPhone to tweet about new phone. Gets trolled. South Korean smartphone maker Samsung was trolled after its promotional Twitter account in Nigeria used an iPhone by rival Apple to tweet about Samsung's new smartphone, Galaxy Note 9. On Sunday, the @Samsung Mobile account was shut and the tweet was deleted after the mistake was widely shared online. "Someone's getting fired tomorrow," a person tweeted in response to the mistake. Amazon briefly becomes world's most valuable company at $870 billion. World's richest person Jeff Bezos. Amazon briefly became the world's most valuable company on Monday, days after Microsoft dethroned Apple. The online retailer's shares surged 5.2% at its highs, pushing the company's market capitalization to around $870 billion. At Monday's close, Apple was back on top with a market value of $877 billion, followed by Amazon at $866.6 billion. 300 drones malfunction during light show in China. Fall on viewers. At least 300 drones creating patterns in the sky during a light show in China malfunctioned and began crashing to the ground, with some drones even falling onto the spectators. The drones, which malfunctioned due to electromagnetic interference, belong to Chinese company Higrate. No one was injured in the accident and backup drones carried out the remaining show.